Welcome back to Jim's Raised Bed Garden. Wasn't sure if I was going to do a video this week. I didn't think I had enough to show you, but I decided to put a few photographs on my Instagram account, and when I was looking at those I thought maybe I should do one anyway. So let's go and have a look and I'll show you what's been going on at Jim's Raised Bed Garden. Right folks, let's start off in the greenhouse and show you what's going on in here. There's my black cherry. They don't look any different, but they are getting a bit darker. So up there, more honeycomb, a nice sweet pepper. I've had a sweet pepper in there and I took it out earlier in the week and it was absolutely gotten. So if I can find the picture, I'll put it up the top there and let you have a look. Another cracking tomato I had here earlier in the week and it was absolutely lovely. I put a picture of it on Instagram and asking if anyone knew what it was because I mislabeled it and I didn't get any replies. So looking at my other tomatoes, I think it might be an outdoor girl, but absolutely lovely. So I've got a big bumblebee above my head, so I'm just trying to find the cucumber or cucumbers. Strange shape. Don't know if there's anything I've done. And I don't think there's anything on this one. Oh, there is, yeah. That's a nice sweet pepper. So sweet peppers have done really well. Tomatoes have done really well. And they're all getting intermingled now. They're smashing really. Plenty more flowers. Don't make the sound of that. He's right behind me. So I'm not going to push me luck. Oh, I can't. I was going to try and film him, but oh, he's just gone. Just left, thankfully. So I think overall this little greenhouse has done well. But like I said in my last video, I can't help but think I need to change. Time will tell. Let's move on. First thing you notice as I move around, no sweet peas. Moved them all on into the compost and saved the actual pea pods for hopefully for seeds for next year. And you can see in front there, that's my celery and I'm really pleased. Really thickening up as well, and the stalks, if that's what they're called. First time I've grown celery, so really looking forward to trying that. And just move down a little bit there. It's a tomato plant. I don't even know what it is. It's got a few tomatoes on, and I thought it had died. I thought I'd killed it really, but plenty of flowers on, and a few tomatoes on at the bottom. So I can't complain. I just pan round, show you me blueberries. Or should I say a lack of blueberries? There's always next year. Gotta laugh, haven't you? I don't know if I can show you in there from here. Yeah. Got 5 cabbages. Potted them all on. Ready to go into the raised bed with me Swedes, which I'll show you next. Alright, there's the Swede bed. I don't think I've got any snowball turnips in. They're all year round Swedes. They're not massive. I reckon I'll get another 3 or 4 maybe, just small. So I think within the next couple of weeks we'll have them taken out, and hopefully my cabbages like I've just shown you will go in there. I don't know if you can see there, like I planted some more rondo peas, and I wasn't sure if they would work, but there's about 5 or 6 there, so I'm not sure if it'll be too late, but nothing to lose. We'll try that. And pan round again, zoom out hopefully. There's my potato bed. The bulk at the back is my Cara. I'm looking forward to trying these. Hopefully by the end of this week it'll be August, and I think that'll be me 16 weeks up. 12 to 16 weeks I think for main crop. So in the front that's been decimated, that's me Charlottes and they've gone down a storm. Absolutely lovely, really nice. So I've got a question for you later on towards the end of the video. That's just some advice I'm after, but I want to keep some of that space in that bed to grow some Christmas potatoes, probably just Charlottes, but any suggestions for a different type? Maybe there's a few roast potatoes. I don't know if you can roast Charlottes, but you live and learn, don't you? I hope that's not bothering you, the wind. It's funny weather here today, but yeah, potatoes coming on really well. Enjoyed the Charlottes and looking forward to the Cara. And just to show you my dwarf French beans at the front here. I've had my first pickings and absolutely loved them. So I think it was Ali at My Rusty Garden told me to pick them small, and that'll encourage more growth. And as soon as I've done that, I've got more flowers, so I'm really pleased. And the back, I don't know if I can zoom in a little bit, there's our leeks on the other side. They're coming along nicely. I'm in no great hurry for these, probably end up just freezing them anyway. And at the front of this, it's my tomato that's getting all calmarked out. I'm not sure if it's improved or not. I've still got it. Crikey, sorry about that. Still got a lot of yellow leaves, but as you can see at the bottom, it's certainly not affecting the tomatoes. There's plenty of tomatoes on there, but we'll keep persevering. Try and show you the yellow leaves, but the breeze is quite strong. Crazy weather we're having up here. I hope the weather's better where you are. Move on to my strawberries. I was beginning to think the strawberries were finished, but there's a few flowers in there, so we'll get a few more. I've got a lot of runners, so I really need to do my homework. What's the best way to make sure my runners can take? Actually, I must have about 10 or 12 runners. I don't need that many. I think next year I won't be putting as many onions in the bed with the strawberries, and I think the strawberries will take over. So as long as I've got a token set of onions in there, I'm quite happy. But the strawberries have been nice, just end of July and they're finished. So maybe have a look in the garden centre and try and get some strawberries that go through to the end of the year. If anyone's got any suggestions of a type, then I'll be grateful. You can just let me know in the comments. Apologies for that, I can't really see where I'm showing you. The sun is right behind me. I'm trying to get in the shadow, but that's the onions I've got left. And carrots down the right hand side. They're coming on really well, the carrots. Onions are a bit small, and I've pulled at the bottom of the bed there, I pulled my Paris silver skin, but what I want to do is plant some more. You can never have enough Paris silver skin, can you? I should be okay, I would think. They never grow a very big size. We'll give it a try. But some of these onions, I've got Ailsa Craig, Bedfordshire Champion. See the other one's Red Baron, and they're not massive. They've been in since March, So the jury's out really. I'll see what happens between now and the end of the year, but I think I'll just pick the best one, and I think I'm going to concentrate on my onions, with the overwinter onions. I was really impressed with those, absolutely massive. But it's all food for thought, isn't it, and planning for next year. You've got plenty of that to do and ways to improve things. I'm going to show you me second lot of tomatoes, the outside lot. Alright, again apologies, sun's right over my shoulder, and these are all doing really well. Hinds were very slow, but if I can zoom in a little bit, it's not letting me zoom in. Never mind, hopefully you can see them. Plenty there now, doing really well. And at the bottom there, Outdoor Girl. What a surprise, what a lovely surprise I got with them. That's a little bit closer. The first to the far left of my Outdoor Girl. Now I'm not sure what the second lot are, but they're really nice by the looks. And then these two are both hinds. So I can't complain about the hinds. And I think the last one's a hinds as well. Yeah, happy days. Certainly can't complain about me tomatoes. I'm not going to bother showing you me Brussels in there. They're not really, they don't seem to be growing very well, and there's certainly no Brussels sprouts on them yet. But yeah, we'll just keep an eye on them. Nearly there. Just thought I'd show you my compost. I had a little bit of compost that I hadn't used, so that's the reason I've delayed in making me compost for next year, in case I had any more, needed any more. So yeah, plenty cardboard underneath there, plenty grass, and the brown bits, horrible yucky bits, I had bags of grass cuttings, and they're just so wet and damp. But I'll keep turning it, and we're on the right lines thankfully, and hopefully next year we'll have some nice compost to use. Alright, I've had to move my microphone, and I've took the phone off my tripod to show you my sweet corn. Bit disappointed. Maybe as you can tell me, everyone else on Instagram seems to have a lot bigger sweet corn. Certainly got no tassels left yet. And in the middle of all that, this is really what I want to show you, mainly Linda. Oh, got a visit there. I'll keep out of his way, I won't disturb him. As you can see there, it's the top end of my sunflower. It's been going on and on and on, the sunflower. Oh, it's getting nearer, getting bigger. I don't know what he's doing there. Cleaning himself down. Anyway, he's a welcome guest. We'll not disturb him. I hope he's okay. Back to the sunflower. I did some watering Sunday as I'm recording this. It's real late because I wasn't sure what to do. But Thursday night, I think it was, I came out 11:15 and I did some watering. It was pitch black. Sorry about that. I came round here just on the off chance and I found a slug. It wasn't just a slug, it was massive. You can see there's another wasp, but he's beat as he's gone. But I noticed the slugger was like way up in the... oh, he's moving, he's a bit bigger. Got a wasp on one side and bee on the other. But there's another flower, that's what I'm getting at. So I might not get the main one, but I've now got possibilities of 3, 4 maybe. So I might have a sunflower philander. There's that wasp, I don't know if you can see him around there. There he is. He's quicker than I am. Anyway, so we'll keep an eye on that. It's progress, I suppose, isn't it? When do you reckon it's too late? When should I give up? And just to show you, there's the star of the show. Let us zoom in and out. There's his lordship. Came out. Can't wait to get back in. Dear me. Any excuse to get back in the house. Happy days. Wouldn't change them for the world. Right folks, nearly there. You see my little greenhouse? This is the question I want to ask you. I've got an idea what I want to do, but before I do it, I just want to run it past you. I've had a few King of the North sweet peppers off there, but it's been in a pot. And I'm thinking of moving it into my potato bed. But what I'm going to do is plant it into the soil, the compost. But rather than leave it open to the elements, keep it in my little greenhouse. Try and stop it from moving, like that would be half the battle with the wind. Wind's shocking really. But that's what I'm thinking. Put that there, sweet pepper. Keep the greenhouse on and see what you think. Will it work? Or shall I just go plant it out and just take what comes? Just a better angle of me tomatoes. Oh dear me, really, really good. I'm chuffed with these, outdoor girl. Brilliant. And Heinz. Sorry for the wind. It's got absolutely loads. Heinz. I was a bit disappointed it's a bit strong, but I was thinking, oh crikey, they're not very good. Still got loads on this one, very small, plenty of flowers. I've never grown Heinz before, so if any of you have, I know Danny has. I don't know if you'll be watching, Danny, I know you're very busy. You like your Heinz 1350. Are they prolific? Anyway, enough of that. Anyway folks, that's it for the day. Just a quick tour. Some things progressing, other things not. A little bit of advice required as usual. Any comments would be gratefully received. And I just want to say a massive thank you for watching, for liking, subscribing, and mostly for the comments. Love the comments. And hopefully I'll see you all in the next one. Thanking you.